Now it's time to have a look at the client's record. So admin, pages, clients, edit.php. Inside of this file, we're going to add a few extra fields because at the moment we only have the billing address details. We need obviously details for the shipping address as well. I'm going to scroll up a little bit here. Copy everything from the address 1 down to the country. I'm going to create a line between the last name and address 1, and then after the country as well, I'm going to create a couple of lines to separate it. And obviously I pasted now what I've just copied. Let's proceed it with the for the shipping address 1 and copy this for the other fields. So we have a whole lot ready for the shipping address. Now if we scroll down and let's amend our URLs again. So comma after array false, array action, edited, and closing bracket. Let's remove this. Same here. False, array action, edited, failed. And if we remove all this after that. Now if we scroll down, we need to rearrange our fields slightly. What we're going to do here, basically, the top section after the heading will have first name, last name, and rather than the address, we're going to paste here the email address. And then we're going to create 2 subsections for billing and shipping address. So let's scroll down and copy the email block. If we select all this whole table row, and Command or Control X to cut it, scroll up and paste it after the last name, so a few new lines. Now we can close the table. We're going to create the heading H2 for billing address. Actually, let's make it H3 a little bit smaller because H2 might be a little bit too big. Okay, now we obviously need to start this table. So table, cell, padding, null, cell spacing, null, border, null as well, and class tbl underscore insert. We obviously still using here, we're not using here HTML5. That's why all these attributes for the table. Now if we scroll down a little bit, and after the country, if we simply close the table and select this entire address section, country up to the H3 tag. If we select everything, copy, and scroll down again, and paste it after the closing table tag, and then start the table for our bottom section with the update button. So table, cell padding, null, cell spacing, null, border, null, and class table insert. Okay. Now that this button is obviously in its own table, it might make more sense to remove this th tag and just have a td table cell, basically just single table cell here.